So I made the pico. So I just put some onions, some red onions, green onions, cilantro, and some tomatoes, lemon, and some salt. And I didn't put some garlic in it this time, but I did put a little bit of sugar. My husband used to work at a restaurant, and that's what they would do. They'll put just a little bit, and I'm not sure what it does to it. I don't know if it helps the acidity or what, but it actually tastes pretty good. And then right here, just have some guacamole. And it's not the best because of the avocados. The avocados I got, it all depends on how good those avocados are and how your guacamole is going to come out. And I have some jalapenos to put on top, some green tomatillo salsa. And then for semi-homemade, this is what I was talking about. I bought this Rosarita traditional refried beans. I'm not a big fan of this, but my husband and my kids, they really like it. And so today I wasn't feeling good, so I just didn't feel like making the homemade beans today. So what I did was I added some cheese in there, a bunch of cheese. That's why it looks a little bit lighter. And then I also added some taco seasoning. I added this one right here, the McCormick. And then here I have the nacho cheese. So I use this, the Juanita's nacho cheese sauce. So that's what I'm doing. And then I just have some tortilla chips, and I'm going to start making our nachos. So here's the nachos all plated up. So the beans are on the bottom. I put a bunch of the nacho cheese on top. Some of the pico, guacamole, sour cream, and then I added some jalapenos. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some of that salsa, tomatillo salsa on top. And that will be our dinner for Meatless Monday. Today is Tuesday, and I already boiled some chicken breast. I shredded it with a little hand mixer. And then I'm going to add some tomato sauce to this. And then I'm going to also add this jalapeno. I'm going to add a little bit of this bouillon cube to it. And then I'm just going to let it, once it boils, simmer it for about 15 minutes. I got some olive oil in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my tortillas. So I just drench it each side and fold it. And then I go ahead and put another one. Over here I have the chicken boiling already. You can see, well, it's simmering. It's on low. So this, I always use a big skillet because of course I want to make at least 4. I could fit more, but then they won't, you know, like thoroughly cook all together at once. So, ooh, I know Lily is excited because she loves her Taco Tuesdays. I made a little fruit salad, so that's oh my gosh. It's cantaloupe, watermelon, and some honeydew. And then here's the chicken tacos. I just put some lettuce, cheese, green onion. Lily loves her green onion on top of her tacos, and some tomatoes. This one is my plate, so I put a little bit of the mixed veggies, and basically it's like a little burrito because it's pretty big to be a taco. So I'm just wrapping it up. So I'm going to have some lettuce burritos. So I put everything I put into their tacos is in here. I just added some tapatio and some sour cream and some avocado. And that's it. That will be our dinner for Taco Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and I'm going to make some simple, like a simple dinner. So right here, just have some rice, some white rice, browning in some olive oil. So the rice is a little bit toasted. I don't like it too toasted. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the milk. To add half of this tomato can. And then I put a whole thing of the corn. And then I'm going to add one of the cubes. And I just put it in here. Some people like to, I do it too. I go ahead and like put it in some warm water and then I dissolve it, but it's okay. I'm being a little lazy today. It will dissolve as long as I, you know, mix it around and let it boil. It'll disintegrate. So I'm going to only put that, and if I do need more, I'll put another half. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it, and it's going to be covered probably about 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I bought some pork chops from Stater Brothers today before I came home, and they were actually bad. I opened them right now. I was going to cook them, and they smell like rotten eggs. So my husband, he went back and just got like a fresh batch. So, and I made sure I smell these. They smell like nothing, so that's good. So I'm gonna put some, well, I already put some garlic salt on top of there. And then I put some black pepper. I'm only putting black pepper on one side because we're already gonna have it pretty spicy. So I have some olive oil there, and then once they're like all browned and almost done, then I'm gonna go ahead and add this hot salsa. So I'll show you guys when I do it. It smells so good. I love the smell of pork chops cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this hot sauce on top. I'm gonna add the whole thing. I'm just gonna make sure all of it distributed all around it, and just let it boil. Probably about 15 minutes, and then it's done. So I put a layer of the rice. I put the pork chop on top with some avocado, and then I have some mango and watermelon in here. And then I'm just gonna have it with some water, and that's gonna be our dinner for Wednesday night. Today is Friday, and right here I have a pot roast. So I have a roast in here with some carrots, potatoes, celery, garlic, onion, and then I put a can of cream of mushroom, 1/4 cup of some like brown gravy, and then I put a cube of beef bouillon inside of there. So I'm getting this ready. Right now it's like almost 7 in the morning. We have some services to go to this morning. Some sweet lady that we knew. She's so sweet, so sad. So I'm putting this in so later when we come home, you know, it'll be ready instead of us having to go buy something out to eat. So I'm just going to cover it. I love these little plastic things. It saves so much. My kids are going to be happy that I use this for sure. And I'm just going to put it on low so it could cook all day. We came home to the roast beef smelling good in the house. So I got my roast beef. I already shredded it up here. I have a really simple salad with some ranch dressing. And that's it. That will be our dinner for Friday night. Today is Saturday. I know I said I wasn't going to cook on Saturdays, but Lily's birthday is Monday, so I'm going to eat out that day. So I'm just making some enchiladas with some green sauce today. I have the green sauce warmed up inside of there. I warmed up the tortillas in the microwave. That's just my easy way of doing it. And then here I have some leftover pot roast that I went ahead and like shredded everything. So I put that inside there. I'm just, instead of, you know, cooking a whole nother meal, I'm just repurposing my leftovers. And then I have Mexican style cheese that I'm going to put in there, roll it up. And then when I'm done, I'll add the rest of the sauce with some cheese. I have some pinto beans. These are just canned. I've been really slacking on making my own beans lately. So I'm just going to mash these up. Dinner is ready. So I have some sour cream on top with some avocado and then some refried beans. And then I'm just going to have some water, and that will be our dinner for Saturday night. Today is Monday. And I forgot to do it this weekend, like film what I had, because we were super busy. So that's why I'm doing it today, Monday. It's Lily's birthday. She just turned 10 today. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. So I made her some confetti cake. You can see here. So I was going to make her cake like I usually like to do with the strawberries and the whipped cream. But when I came back, somebody already got to the other side. So I'm not going to be able to make that. Oh, there's my new kitty. We were going to name him Buddy, but right now it's Buddy, but Evelyn wants to name him something else. Look, he's so cute and lovable. He's super cute. And the dog gets along real good with my cat, so that's good.
Hey,
so,
his name is not Buddy. His name is Max.
Okay.
Over here.
So I'm going to have to do something else. Just regular frosting, I guess, and put some cute stuff on top. So Lily requested chili dogs and chili fries. So right here I have the Hormel chili with the beans. She likes this, so she requested it. And then there's one with no beans. So this one has the beans and this one has no beans. I even asked her, do you want the ones from Wiener Schnitzel? She said no, she wants this. So I have some fries. They were just frozen fries I put in the oven. Hot dogs all done. I put them in a little toaster oven. We like to have our hot dogs like that. I think they cook it really good. So these are the Angus beef hot dogs. I think they're the Oscar Mayer ones. Lily loves onion on top of like hot dogs and all that stuff. So I chopped up some onions. I have the cheddar cheese ready, and then I got these Nathan's Famous hot dogs, and I'm just going to put them in the little toaster oven real quick. These are the decorations I put up for Lily's birthday today. So I got this at the 99. It has some cute little, you know, unicorns on there. And then I got these plates for our dinner, and this is for her cake. Look how cute these napkins are. I just got like the whole theme here, and I made this cute little centerpiece real quick. And then they sell these. These are things that I'm definitely going to keep. I'm not going to get rid of. And then here, yeah, we blew up these. They're super cool. They're cute. All this from the 99-cent store. And then here's her decorations up here. So we have a 10 up there. We have the happy birthday. It's really cute. And then these little things. It came in a 3. And then we put like bundles of balloons, but one of them already went flat. You can see here. And then we have the little piñata. This piñata is super cute. And we pick it up.
There's any candy in there.
There is. It's in the refrigerator because it's hot. So after we eat, we're going to sing happy birthday, and then we're going to do the piñata. So Lily's digging in already. So we got the chili dog with some cheese and then some onion. And here's the chili cheese fries with some onion on top. Told you guys she loves her onion. So are you happy with your food today?
Yeah.
Yeah? She didn't want to eat out. This is what she chose, and I'm not complaining. I hope it doesn't break. Is that good? Yeah, save it and do another one.